Hey guys, this is Vijay from TechSite. So today I'm gonna teach you about something interesting. So if you wanna know what that, watch my video until the end. So let's get started. So basically, the recent events have changed almost everything and social distancing has become the new normal today. Although video conferencing and testing apps have done a decent job at reducing that distance, there are a few things that we're still missing during doing together with our friends and family. One of which is watching the latest videos with your friends on YouTube. So if you are missing those moments, then an app called AirTime allows you to video chat with friends and family and watch YouTube videos together at the same time on their respective devices. The app also lets users pause the video and have a discussion about a particular scene just like normal days. Additionally, users can also send reactions, emojis and text messages to each other. So if you want to install this app on your Android device, follow me. So guys, basically you need to download AirTime app from Play Store. It is available on App Store for Apple devices. It is completely free app. So the first step is open AirTime app on your smartphone and tap on Get Started button. So the second step is enter your phone number for registration and verify it using the OTP received on the given phone number. So the third step is, once verified, tap on Create Room option and add other users in the room.
To protect your soul. I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
So the first step is now tap on YouTube option and start watching the video. Though the setup process is like an other video calling app, all you need to do is install the app on your smartphone and ask the other person to install the app. Also, both need to set up the app using phone number and OTP. Once done, create an AirTime room. To do that, tap on create room from the home screen of the app and invite your friends. After that, tap on the next button. AirTime currently supports up to 5 people in the room to do. So how to start watching? To start watching, you need to send an alert to all participants of the room asking to start a normal video call. To do that, open the room and tap on the hand icon. Once people have joined, select the video you want to watch together by tapping on the popcorn icon. Once selected, tap on the post to room button to start watching. That's it. Now you're watching a YouTube video with all your friends and neighbors. So if you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel TechSite and click the bell icon to get instant notifications from my channel. So I'll see you in the next video.